Hello learners, welcome back to our channel Be Curious. Today we're gonna discuss very interesting topic programming and system biology. Programming in biology. From an era of manual computation, we are currently in a phase of large scale, high throughput data generation, automated analysis and prediction. Technological advancements have proven to be a boon for generating huge data, unthinkable a few decades ago. However, the arrival of massive data has also thrown massive challenges in the storage, visualization, transfer, analysis, and interpretation of data. The task that looked gigantic a decade back appears trivial now. The emergence of artificial intelligence (AI) and machine learning (ML) techniques have has changed research practices in almost every field. It is increasingly evident that in future young biotechnology students working at the cutting edge of science may require basic programming knowledge and comfort with chemistry and statistical methods. The purpose of this chapter is not to give an exhaustive description of programming language, but to offer a gentle introduction to some of the most popular high-level languages relevant to biologists. Although bioinformatics software is being developed for all the available operating system platforms, majority of successful application has been developed on Linux platform. From the beginning of bioinformatics, Perl is always at the core of sequence-based large data handling. Now, our data these platforms are being enriched with the advanced performing language. Normally, Python and R provides strong facilities of statistical packages for solving biological problems. Similarly, Python modules are continuously being enriched with visualization and analysis modules for handling of a large data set on standalone web servers as well as cloud computing. Beyond these, MATLAB also includes very good platform for bioinformatics data analysis. Description of few of the most advanced language active in the area of bioinformatics is given below. Python it is a high-level programming general purpose language created by Guido van Rossum. It is an object-oriented programming interactive language that can run on Unix, Mac, and Windows. Python is very popular within bioinformatics community largely because of the clear meaning of terms used and the structure of statements. Its expressively witty and alignment to object-oriented programming, the availability of libraries and third-party toolkits. Python has been successfully used for sequence and structure analysis, phylogenetics, and so on. The name R has been derived from its inventors, Robert Gentleman and Robert Yahaka, who developed this language. R language has gained wide acceptance as a rapid and reliable functional programming language that is ideal for high volume analysis, visualization, and stimulation of biological data. The software is free and open source. The R language has been used for analysis of genome sequence and biomolecular pathways. Moving from data analysis to designing the system, new programming languages have emerged. Among them are GEC, Genetic Engineering of Living Cells, a rule based language developed by Microsoft, and Kira, an object oriented knowledge based programming language developed by Dr. Umesh P. of University of Kerala. Kira, short for form of Kerala, also means coconut, captures information on the genome, protein, and the cell using a user edited biological library called Samhita. System biology introduction. In order to understand the mystery of nature, scientists are performing experiments since long. Finding of these experiments are recorded in the form of data in the literature, starting from small bit of data to large ones. Data are being collected from decades of experimental efforts. Presently, a large size of biological data is being generated and stored in the digital format in a variety of storehouses called databases. These digital data are the resources which make the formation of researchers to develop such computational models which can perform tasks similar to our complex biological system, that is, those we observe in real in vitro and in vivo environments, experiments, or real life. Ex- Implementation of such ideas in being performed with mathematical and computational models to mimic complex biological systems. These models are called system models. Therefore, you can visualize the system's biology as the representation of system models. Nowadays, systems biology has become an area of intensive research with potent application. Thus, it is an interdisciplinary field of study that focuses on complex biological interactions within biological systems. The concept of system biology is being adopted in a variety of biological contexts, particularly from last 2 decades onward. The Human Genome Project is one of the most glorious seedings of a thought of systems biology, which lead to new avenues of today's form of systems biology. Presently, systems biology models can provide theoretical description of for discovery of the emergent functional properties of cells, tissues, and organisms, similar to those which are only possible through experiments. Example of most efficient system models are metabolic or significantly signaling network, almost along with fundamental understanding of the mechanism of action of biological systems. System biology is intensively being utilized into potent applicability in the area of health and disease, from biological networks to form to modern therapeutics. Historical perspective. Before the emergence of system biology, the scenario of research in biological science was more wandering around physiology, population dynamics, enzyme kinetics, control theory, cybernetic, the segmental components of research. The systems biology has been made to be involved from a physiological description when in 1952 Alan Lloyd Hawking and Andrew Fielding Huxley described a mathematical model of action potential propagation along the axon of a neuronal cell. More evolved implementation of theory emerged in 1960 when the first computer model of the heart pacemaker was developed by Dennis Noble. The system biology was launched by system theorist Mihailo Misarovic in 1966 at the Case Institute of Technology in Cleveland, Ohio, titled System Theory and Biology. In 1968, first theory about systems biology was published by Ludwig von Bertalanffy, which is considered as precursor of this discipline. The duration between 1960s and 1970s was the decade of development of multiple aspects of complex molecular systems such as the metabolic control analysis and the biochemical system theory. Furthermore, skepticism of system theory and with molecular biology was broken by the development of theoretical biology, which includes the quantitative modeling of biological processes since 1990s. Functional ge- genomics is Genomics is generating large quantities of high-quality biological data, which are helping in the development of more realistic models. In continuation of these developments in the area of systems biology, National Science Foundation (NSF) put forward a challenge to mathematically model the whole cell. In this direction, in 2003, Massachusetts University of Technology (MIT) started research of solution of this challenge in association with Cytosolve. Finally, in 2012, whole cell model of Mycoplasma genitalium cell wall bacterium for prediction of cell viability in response to the genetic mutation was developed by Mount Sinai School of Medicine, New York. Presently, a big system biology project named Physium is available. This project is aimed at developing a multi-scale modeling framework for understanding the physiological function that allows model to be combined and linked in a hierarchical fashion. For example, electromechanical models of the heart need to be combined with models of ion channel, myofilament mechanisms, and signal transduction pathway at the subcellular level, and then to link these processes to models of tissue mechanics. Wave fronts, propagation, and coronary blood flow, each of which may well have been developed by a different group of researchers. These behind the systems biology to cover diverse disciplines of biology. Systems biology has been observed from different aspects. The reductionist worked on identification of components and interactions of a system, but no convincing method could be involved to describe the pluralism of system. Pluralism can be better observed through quantitative measurements of multiple components simultaneously, and this can only be possible when mathematical model containing rigorous data integration. In this way, it can be said that system biology is observation of system by integrating different components together, covering all the individual components together at the core of theme of system biology. Object network mapping and its integration with interdependent dynamic event kinetics with partial differential equation. Protocol for system biology experiments. To perform a standard system biology environment experiment discrete step, the whole protocol basically involves definition of problem, designing of experiment, execution of the experiments to generate data, collection of the resultant data and their arrangement in appropriate file formats, followed followed by the development of network interface. This is followed by transfer of this network interface, which should be precise as well as mechanism based on which so that the model can be developed accordingly. This is further followed by analysis of the discrepancies between model phased stimulation results and environmental data. Accordingly, model the hypothesis with reference to the discrepancy observed. Finally, the stimulation is repeated and tested again and again, and new hypotheses are incorporated into the model. Thus, the workflow of computation for systems biology requires data management, optimization of network development parameters, performance analysis and evaluation, experimental design and execution give rise to annotation of experimental result data go through network interface after novel interaction. Definition defining the problem gives two path experimental design and execution literature and pathways database based deep curation that give rise to proposed molecular map and which give rise to system biology model update and defining the dynamic of system behavior. Workflow for implementation of system biology environment. Standards for data management has been defined for collection of structured data for systems biology. Accordingly, three basis aspects are considered for data management, which are explained below: minimum information file format and ontologies. Model analysis methods. This is sensitivity analysis, bifurcation and phase space analysis, metabolic control analysis.